Okay, so we are going to go ahead and take a look at example 3, exactly like example 1 and 2, finding the average daily balance with my calculator, finding my monthly percentage rate, and then multiplying those two together to get my finance charges. So let's go ahead and open our average daily balance calculator. I'm just trying to get it to be small enough so we can actually see it here. And you guys, honestly, if you want to reuse this, because this is not an assignment that you're turning in. If you look at it, it's not a due date. That's the only way I could give everybody their own copy so that we're not all writing on each other was to make it an assignment. So all I did was just backspace out of all those, okay? So this one says 2 days at $99.78, 15 days at $315.64, and 11 days at $515.64, and 2 days at $580.32. Okay, so I didn't use up all these, but that's okay. There were 30 days in this billing cycle. This was all of the sum of all of those 30 days added together. And when I take this 11,766.84 and divide by 30, there's my average daily balance, $392.23. That's the very first thing that it asked me to find. So I'm going to go ahead and write that down. 392. Sorry, guys. Can I remember things from one screen to the next? 23. Good thing I checked it. I was going to put the wrong cents. Okay. Typing in all my days and typing in all my balances into the calculator does all the work for me. Okay. To find monthly percentage rate, I'm going to take my 15% and I'm going to divide it by 12. Going to definitely go to Desmos for this. Let's try that. There's our old one. We don't need it. So 15 divided by 12 gives me an even 1.25. You can take your 1.25 ahead of time if you prefer and divide it out. I don't care which answer you give me. 1.25%. Or 0.0125. Okay, but if you're giving me that full decimal, you got to give it to me the whole thing. Okay, what are her finance charges is going to be? We're going to take average daily balance and multiply that with that monthly percentage rate. So I'm going to go ahead and take my 392.23 and multiply it with 1.25 out of 100. And I can see that my interest for this month is going to be $4.90 when I round it. That 2 is just going to round off. Okay. And that is all I have to do on this one.